you guys, so today we're going to be doing another DIY, and this time on the stacked joggers or leggings. And as you guys can see, they're really popular on Instagram. Dior has them on, as you can see in this picture, and I also inserted another picture with Amor Jada having them on. And now let's get into the video. So I took my $3.99 leggings that I got from Forever 21 and cut them at my ankles. So in addition to having your leggings, you're going to need a long sleeve shirt. As you guys can see, my long sleeve shirt is already ruffled on the side. I'm going to cut off the wrist part of the shirt as well as detach the sleeve from the shirt. After I'm finished detaching the sleeve, I go ahead and try it on my leg to see just exactly how it's going to look, to make sure it looks the way I want it to look. And after I see it and I'm satisfied, I take it off and I begin to detach the other sleeve from the other side. Now that I'm finished detaching each sleeve from the shirt, I am going ahead and threading my needle because now it is time to attach each sleeve to the bottom of our leggings. So I went ahead and completed one pants leg off camera just to see if I was doing it correctly, and as you guys can see, that pants leg came out perfectly fine, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. So I take the sleeve and I turn it inside out. After I turn it inside out, I place it above the pants leg and I stretch them both out to make sure that they are aligned with each other perfectly, and then I begin to sew. So by this time in the video, I've already sewn half of the sleeve onto the pants leg, and I'll be showing you guys how I sew down the other half. So just like in my Distressed Insta Baddies jean video, I am sewing this very tightly and very close together so that the look isn't bulky and so that the stitches will not come loose. Since we're done sewing, it's time to see our final look. This is our final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I also will be inserting a couple of pictures of these leggings as well. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for watching, and if you were new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You will not be disappointed. See you guys next time.